I'm Daniel with Tell. Today we're going to do a walk around of the 2026 Freightliner Cascadia. Let's check out what's under the hood. This truck is powered by a fuel efficient 455 horsepower 5th generation Detroit diesel DD15. It's carb compliant and has plenty of power to haul any freight that you have. This Detroit engine is mated to a Detroit 12-speed automated transmission. We spec'd it with the performance mode, economy mode, and the ability to go into manual mode. The performance mode is a great feature. It gives you faster shift patterns and the ability to kick down a gear to give you power when you absolutely need it. This truck has a spacious 72-inch raised roof sleeper. It's got 126 bumper to back of cab length and a 227-inch overall wheelbase. That way you can turn in and out of places with ease. This truck also has dual 100-gallon fuel tanks and a 23-gallon DEF tank. We spec this Freightliner with premium Bridgestone tires. They're low-profile 22.5s, 14 ply, and they're mounted on aluminum Alcoa wheels on the outside and steel wheels on the inside. We also mounted on the fuel-efficient wheel covers. One consistent thing that we do is we order all our trucks with the ultra-reliable Fontaine 6000 series fifth wheel, and it's mounted on a 24-inch air slide. Let's go talk about some brakes. For stopping power, you can't go wrong with disc brakes. We order all of our trucks with disc brakes on the fronts and the rears. Now that we're on the topic of safety features, let's talk about some of the Freightliners. For safety features, Freightliner's got you covered with the Detroit Assurance 5.0 system. It has a side guard assist sensor that gives you a visual indicator on your A-pillar in case there's somebody in your blind spot. Let's talk about some of the other sensors that are on it. For collision avoidance, there's the forward-facing radar. It also controls the truck's adaptive cruise control down to 0 miles per hour. For lane departure, there's a forward-facing camera on the windshield. The Detroit Assurance system also helps with electronic stability control. Let's go take a look at some of the features inside the cab. For driver comfort features, it's hard to beat this Elite 2.0 high back chair I'm sitting in. It has lumbar support, ventilation for the summer months, and it's heated for the winter months. For comfort while driving down the road, this truck has adaptive cruise control all the way down to 0 miles per hour. It also has a digital display in the dash for your diagnostic and trip information. Let's talk about some of the features in the back of the cab. Where this 72-inch sleeper really shines is what's packed within it. We've got a 40-inch wide, lower liftable bunk with storage options underneath it. We've got a foldable upper bunk and a ladder to get up there. We have a TV mount, a refrigerator with a freezer. We have a fuel-fired S-bar heater to keep you warm and toasty in the winter months while conserving fuel. It also has an 1800-watt pure sine wave inverter, tons of storage options. It also has a windshield curtain and a bunk curtain. Now I want to talk about one of my favorite features about this truck. One of my favorite features is actually a fuel-saving feature called optimized idle. It works much like a thermostat in your house, as the truck will actually automatically start up and cool down or warm up to the set point you put it on to conserve fuel and keep you in a climate controlled environment the whole night through. Additionally, the truck has optimized idle with battery monitoring. So whenever you're using that fuel-fired S-bar heater in the winter months to conserve fuel, it'll notice whenever the voltage is down, start the truck up, charge the batteries to an optimum level, and then shut off again. We have a great video that demonstrates the optimized idle and how to set it on our YouTube page. With all these great features, Tell also has you covered with a full factory warranty for the duration of your lease. For more information about our products or our lease offerings, check us out at tell360.com or give us a call at 423-214-3910.